Welcome everybody. So have yet another tier 2 nest to make, this time with the Hydras. I wasn't so keen on the Hydras because they're snakes, but I really like the artwork in these level 4s here. I think they are really nice elves. So yeah, I'm going to be merging these ones up. Let's put them back on there. They don't have a lot of stamina, only 3 for the level 4, which isn't an awful lot. But yeah, the artwork is really good. Again, these ones come out of chests. They come out of the stone chests that cost 12 gems each. So what I mean by the stone chest is these light blue ones at the top here. And the ones that cost 12, you just get 1 egg. And then you merge them up to get nests. I'll just let them finish harvesting since they've only got 1 energy left on them. I'm getting lots of ore here for my next video, which is going to be needing a lot of ore. Merge those. Okay, so they're ready to sleep. Get them to drop that. And that one. Okay, let's merge them up. Ooh, yellow. No dimensional jar with that one though. Bring them over. Fingers crossed on these eggs. Ooh, that was a good nest. Okay, so we've got 7 in that nest. And there they are, yellow snakes. And let's see what we get in this one. So they're called Glorious Hydra eggs. Okay, not so good on that one. Okay. So let's have a look at these discoveries. So we've got the Glorious Hydra egg and the Glorious Hydra baby, which is the same pretty much as the level 1 Hydra baby, but in this yellow colour with blue eyes. And that one still only got 3 stamina in the garden, but it is worth 198 elf power. Okay, so thanks for watching everybody.